Hi, I'm Mr. Ash from CodeSpark Labs, and I'm going to show you how to play Lunch Crunch. Once you're logged into the Foos, click Puzzles, then scroll to the island that's called Lunch Crunch. Click Play, and choose Level 1. Then you'll watch the introduction movie, or click the white arrow to skip. And you'll see the instructions for the game. Here, you're a computer chef, and you're going to fulfill the orders of the customers coming to your restaurant. Here you'll see, to make pasta, you need to grab the pasta ingredient for your chef to cook. Press the white arrow to start. Your customers will line up here, and your code blocks to fulfill their orders will be down here. First, we'll grab the utensils block to choose our ingredient. Here we have our pasta as our ingredient. Then we'll grab the purple glove to give our customer the order. Then we'll click our chef to start cooking. You'll see that our code gets run from the left to the right. Then, if you successfully complete an order, we'll go to the next level. Click the white arrow to go to the next level. Now you'll see we can learn how to make ice cream. To make ice cream, we'll need the ice cream ingredient for our chef to cook. Now we have 3 customers, so we need to make sure that we put in enough code to fulfill all 3 orders. First, I'll grab the utensils block and make sure that the ice cream ingredient is chosen. After I make the ice cream, I'll grab the purple glove block to give the ice cream to our customer. Then I need to make another order of ice cream for our next customer. So I'll grab another utensil block, and then I'll give that order to the next customer. Then for our last customer, we'll do the same thing, grab the utensils block, and then the purple glove to give the customer their order. Now I'll press the chef, and they'll start cooking. You'll see that our code goes from left to right. So after one order is finished, we'll start on the next order, and then the next order, until all of the customers are finished. In later levels, you'll see that your customers will have different orders, so make sure you check their papers to see which order you need to cook. Here we have 4 customers, and they have different orders. Our first customer wants ice cream, so first we'll grab the ingredients block and make sure we click the ingredient to choose ice cream. And then we'll use the purple glove to give them their order. Next, we have 3 customers who want pasta. Since they all want pasta, what we can use is a repeat block down here. This repeat block lets us run our code however many times we need it to. Here, this symbol means infinity, so our code will run forever. But how many customers do we have? 1, 2, 3. And they all want pasta. So we'll change this number to 3. And then we'll create the code to make pasta. So we'll grab our ingredients, make sure you choose the pasta, and after we make the pasta, we'll use the glove to give it to the customer. So you'll see our code will first make our ice cream for our first customer, and then we'll loop this 3 times. So we'll make pasta, give it to the customer, make pasta, give it to the customer, and make pasta, then give it to the customer, a total of 3 times. Let's press the chef. You'll see that the code inside of our loop runs over once it gets to the end. So it'll run the same code from left to right 3 times. Make sure you keep an eye out for what's on your customer's papers so you know the right orders. Have fun!